the U.S. Agency for International Development, and really had a pretty profound effect in terms of the sort of immediate dismantling of a set of institutions in the U.S. government that appear to be antithetical to Donald Trump's agenda. And I co-wrote an article in Carnegie earlier this year describing how DOGE has leveraged AI tools specifically to swiftly dismantle and remake the U.S. government. And I think what it does is that it offers a chilling lesson in terms of how these tools and how other countries can apply them, even in places that are governed in a very strong way by the rule of law and by institutions. So what did we see from DOGE? I think one of the things that we first of all saw was unparalleled expansion of surveillance as part of an immigration crackdown. So cracking down on immigration has been a key plank of the Trump administration. And already you saw immigration enforcement rely on an array of tech tools, from apps and ankle monitors to databases filled with biometric information to investigative instruments like spyware and data extraction. So under Trump and with DOJ's support, these efforts have surged. So for one thing, the Trump administration did was to start collecting social media identifiers linked to more than 33 million people, including those applying for permanent residence or adjusting their immigration status. Another program that was implemented was the State Department's Catch and Revoke program, which relies on AI-powered systems to revoke visas of foreign nationals by scanning and monitoring individuals for links to particular groups. So my expectation on this front is that this is just the start, but the use of AI tools in conjunction with this crackdown is one example. Another example for DOGE has been its data centralization strategy, an idea that was designed to break down silos and harness information accordingly. So what we've heard when it comes to detailed reporting is how private companies like Palantir, Geo Group, Ventel have obtained contracts with the federal agencies to provide centralized data analytic tools that makes it easier for governments to access and merge records from different agencies and platforms and use them in non-transparent ways. So, for example, under DOGE, they built systems that combine data from multiple federal sources, from the IRS, which collects taxes, from the Social Security Administration, which doles out benefits, from the Department of Homeland Security that holds other types of enforcement records. And they tried to put them into a single infrastructure. So what does this mean? This consolidation gives the government an increased ability to monitor individuals in ways previously limited by legal or technical barriers. When combined with AI-powered analytic tools, this gives an unprecedented means for a government to look into all different aspects of records